Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today we are here with Mini and this kind of like carrier backpack, super cool backpack that this brand sent to me for the video. I gotta say, we've been kind of like trying it with Mini. We have four cats. We have two male cats actually. They're kind of big, like 21 pound cats, and we have Mini over here that she's 12 pounds, is about 11 to 12 pounds, and then we also have Penny that she's a super tiny tuxedo cat. She's like 8 pounds. So this carrier backpack is for, I want to say, pets up to 12 to 13 pounds. So she's kind of like in the limit, but you can see that she still fits pretty good. And you can take her, you can take your cats, your small dogs, just to take them out if you want to go to the park or something like that. Or if you want to take them to the bed or something like that, this could also work really good because it's also a carrier. I'm going to show that one to you in a few seconds. But I want to show you that Mini is inside. Super happy, no issues. You can see it has a ton of holes right here. You can kind of like touch them if you want, and you can also, oh my god, and you can also have tons of ventilations, have mesh everywhere, so they're not gonna have any issues. And talking about kind of like getting out, it has kind of like a place right here, so you can reach your hand inside if you want, or you can kind of like touch them. You can feed them if you want. You can give the treats and things like that, or you can actually let them out if you want. Or if you don't, then you're gonna have the zipper that, let me show you. You can just use the zipper over here and let them out. So this is gonna be kind of like the backpack carrier mode. And by the way, it also comes with this super nice blanket. So this is kind of like cool to put it inside, I think. I don't know why she's staying there, because now I want to show it to you guys, but if she's staying, I don't know how I'm going to do it. So as I was telling you before, this one comes with that really nice blanket. Minnie, come on, I need you out. Okay, thank you, lady. I'm going to put her down here so you can see this one better. But okay, let me show you. So mesh everywhere, as you can see over here. This is kind of like an extensible part in case that you need to extend it a little bit. This is the place that I told you, just for let them be out and just reach with your hand. And then inside, this is going to be the carrier pad. I'm going to show you that one in a few seconds. It also comes with this for a leash, so that is really cool to have. And this kind of like pack over here for them to send it like in a better place. It's going to be a little bit more firm. So what we're going to do right now, we're going to put it back in backpack mode, just with this. And this, you have this kind of like acrylic. It also comes with this kind of like handle over here as well. And this one, let me show you how it works. You're going to do this. You're going to put it in this way. And then you're going to do this. Just make sure that it has contact on the sides. And then the same thing is going to happen with this one. Just making sure that you have this way right here. That way you're going to have this really nice cushion pad. And also the straps are going to have this for your waist if you want, or your chest. So that is really good to have. And this is going to be kind of like the backpack mode. You can use this one as a backpack with your cat inside, or you can just use the carrier one and make sure that it works really good. So with this one, we do this, we take out the extensible part, and this is going to be even a more compact backpack. I do like it. I do recommend it. Really good for on-the-go situations, or just like taking your pets outside if you want, and for them just to see the outside world, and also as a carrier for just carrying your pets out. Like it, I do recommend. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.